In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code on a Wix website. To get started, sign into your Wix account and open the dashboard for the website you want to work on. Once you're inside the site dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This is where Wix keeps many of the site-wide configuration options, so if you're making technical changes like adding custom code, this is the right place to begin. After opening Settings, scroll down until you find the Custom Code section, then click on it. This area is specifically designed for adding code snippets to your site, which can be useful for things like analytics tools, tracking scripts, chat widgets, or other third-party integrations. Wix gives you a few different placement options here, and choosing the right one matters because it affects where and when your code loads on the site. From this screen, you'll see options for placing code in the head at the start of the body or at the end of the body. Click Add Code on the placement you want to use. If you already know where your code is supposed to go, choose that location accordingly. If you're following instructions from another platform or service, they'll usually tell you whether the code belongs in the head section or somewhere in the body. Once you click to add the code settings window will open. You'll see a field where you can paste your custom code. Carefully paste the entire code snippet into that area, making sure nothing is accidentally left out. It's a good idea to double-check formatting here, especially if you copied the code from another source. Next, you can give the code a name. This helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to add more than one script to your Wix site later. Use a name that clearly tells you what the code is for, so it's easier to recognize in the future. After that, assign the code to the pages where you want it to run. Depending on your goal, you may want it active across all pages or only on specific ones. Wix also gives you a Code Type tab, which you can click if you need to change the type of code you're adding. This is helpful when you're working with different kinds of snippets and want to make sure the settings match your intended use. When everything looks correct, click Apply to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added custom code to your Wix website.